Solve the following simultaneous equation. First equation, 2x plus y equals to 3. Second equation, 2.5x minus 0.5y equals to 5.5. So what you can do is to use the elimination method. Over here is 1y, over here is negative 0.5y. Try and make this 1y. How to do that? Take the second equation times 2. So when you do that, right, you will have 2.5x times 2, that will be 5x minus 1y equals to 11. This becomes your third equation, and the original first equation is still there, okay? 2x plus y equals to 3. Alright, now since you want to eliminate y, they have different signs. If they have different signs, we have to add the equations up. Equation 1 plus equation 3. Again, if whatever you want to eliminate has different signs, you will add them up. If they have the same signs, let's say both are negative, then you have to subtract. Okay, or both are positive, then you also have to subtract. So just remember, different signs you add. So 1 plus 3, how do we do this? 2x plus y, that is the first equation, plus 5x minus y is equals to 3 plus 11. Alright, so y minus y, there's no more y. 2x plus 5x is a 7x equals 3 plus 11, 14. X equals to 14 divided by 7, that will be 2. So we can find y. How to find y? Sub this into any equation. You can put it into 1, you can put it into 3 as well. Okay, let's choose 1. So 2x, 2 times 2 plus y equals to 3. 4 plus y equals to 3. Y is 3 minus 4. Y is negative 1. Therefore, x is 2. Y is negative 1. Final answer for this question.